Are you struggling to write your essay? Many students find it challenging to start and finish essays. This tutorial shows how to use ChatGPT effectively. By the end, you'll know how to write an essay with ChatGPT. First, sign up for an account on ChatGPT. Visit the OpenAI website in your browser. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Make sure to verify your email. Next, brainstorm your essay topic. Think about your subject and main points. Write down key ideas to explore in your essay. This will guide ChatGPT in generating content. Now, start interacting with ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT interface after logging in. Type your essay topic and ask for an outline. Review the outline and adjust it if necessary. After you have an outline, request paragraphs. You can ask ChatGPT to write one paragraph at a time. Feel free to ask for clarifications on complex points. Make sure to provide feedback to refine the content. Once all paragraphs are done, review your essay. Check for clarity, grammar, and flow. Make necessary edits to personalize the essay. This helps ensure it reflects your voice and style. Finally, save your essay and submit it. Make sure to format it according to your guidelines. Double-check everything before finalizing. In summary, using ChatGPT simplifies essay writing. Always remember to personalize the content you receive. Effective brainstorming and feedback are key to success. Now it's your turn to use ChatGPT for essays. Start your writing adventure today with this powerful tool. Good luck, and happy writing!